Okay, I will talk about question 18. Question 18. That is the first level 2 question. First level 2 questions. So first of all, copy the question first. X plus y is equal to 3, and then 5x, 5x minus 2y is equal to 1. So give a name equation 1, equation 2. So this time again look for the x. Oh, x is 1. This one, the x is 5x and 1x. They are not similar and also not the same. For the y, this one is positive 1y. This one is negative 2y. They are also not the same and also not similar, right? So in this case, we cannot simply, by using addition or subtraction, we can eliminate any one of the unknowns, right? So that's why these are level 2 questions. So I'm going to teach you how can we do this kind of simultaneous equation by using elimination. We can use the multiplication or division. Usually we use multiplication, right? Because this one is easier than this one, right? So for example, for the x, because the first one is 1, the second one is 5, so that they are not the same, right? We want to make it to become the same. You may say, oh, easy, we make this one become 5x, so they can be the same, right? So to make the equation 1 to become 5x, we should multiply by 5, right? So that means for equation 1, we know that x from 1, we may say x plus y is equal to 3, right? We can multiply by 5 for both sides. That means all the number, remember all the numbers here should be multiplied by 5 together. That means 5x plus 5y is equal to 15, right? All of them multiplied by 5. So this time we can have a new equation. We may call it equation 3. This one is from 1, remember this one is from 1. So you may see now we have 5x together, right? 5x. So we can subtract together. That means equation 3 minus equation 2. Understand? So equation 3, for left hand side we have this one, 5x plus 5y. And then minus, for equation 2 we have this one, 5x minus 2y, right? Again, just what we have learned before. Equation 3 is 15 minus equation 2 is 1, so we have this equation. Again, just simplify by removing the brackets. This one is become positive, remember this minus, and then 14. So these two again can be cancelled. So 7y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 2. Okay, so again we can substitute the answer to find the x. For example, substitute 1. This one is simplest. X plus 2 is 3, so x is equal to 1, right? So write down the solution. The solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, and then we are finished.